कैमरे से आप पहली तस्वीर किसके साथ खींचना चाहेंगे?
पहली तस्वीर तो मैं ले चुकी हूँ मीडिया की। सबसे पहली तस्वीर उनकी जो मेरी तस्वीरें लेते हैं।
बट यहाँ से जाने के बाद किसके साथ पसंद करेंगे आप?
आई थिंक इसके बाद मैं घर जा रही हूँ, सबसे पहले मेरे पपीज डिस्को एंड फीवी, पहली पिक्चर शायद उनके साथ करती, क्योंकि दरवाजे में वही आते हैं मुझे वेलकम देने के लिए।
Alright, thank you. Next question, please. Please raise your hands.
फोटो नीचे बैठो जाओ।
Hi, this is on your left, Kriti. On the left side, your left. Sohail Intermission Bollywood.
बहुत लोग हैं लेफ्ट में सर। आप तो हाथ खड़ा कर दो, आपकी आवाज कहीं से भी आ जाती है।
Thank you. बहुत बहुत congratulations to you for your association. सबसे पहले तो इंडिया है बाद में मैच, उसके लिए आपकी तरफ से बधाई होनी चाहिए सभी लोगों से।
Absolutely, I think जितना बोले उतना कम है। Everybody has been like super excited. Social media is full of it. Everyone in my house was really excited. I wanted to go out and party. Unfortunately, I couldn't. It's such a huge and a proud feeling, you know. And congratulations to the entire team. And yay, हम जीत गए।
अभी आता हूँ कैमरा पर, पहले कैमरा को ओन करना was a very proud moment for everyone. You know, so if you remember, it was your very first thing when you owned it, your own money, which आपने अपना personal camera में लिया हो।
I don't think I remember owning my first camera, but I remember the feeling of analog pictures जो होती थी, जो print करते थे, you know, that feeling of होल्डिंग द पिक्चर, वो जब वो रोल डेवलप होके आता था और सब घर पे बैठे थे देखने के लिए कि कैसी आई है पिक्चर, यू नो, दैट फीलिंग ऑफ नॉट नोइंग हाउ द पिक्चर इज टर्न आउट टू बी एंड सीइंग इट इन द फिजिकल फॉर्म वाज अ वेरी डिफरेंट फीलिंग। यू नो, वी यूज्ड टू मेक लाइक स्क्रैप बुक्स at that point and paste all the pictures to have just memories with us. So that is the first feeling of the age. And I think this is a camera that kind of gives back that feeling, which and way more instantly. You don't have to wait for the roll to develop anymore. You just click and you get it in the physical form, which you can place anywhere. You know, whether it's in your room, whether it's in a scrapbook, whether gifting it to someone. That's what I personally love the most.
एक टाइम था जहाँ पर एक टाइम था जहाँ पर हम पहले प्रिंट हुआ करता था, फिर प्रिंट से मोबाइल पर आ गए, जहाँ पर भी स्टोरी में था, maybe it could be a computer or phone. Again, it's come on print. How do you see this, and what would you prefer, like a hard copy?
पता है फोन पे कितनी पिक्चर्स हैं आपके, आपको पता है आपके फोन पे कितनी पिक्चर्स हैं? मतलब इट्स अनलिमिटेड, और एक सेल्फी खींचने के चक्कर में कितनी लेते हैं हम लोग सेल्फीज, राइट? उसमें से कितनी तो यूजलेस होती है. So I feel when you want to go back to a memory, sometimes it really gets very difficult to actually find it. And you know those really special moments that you want to treasure and just see. So I feel in this digital age, the youngsters and in general people, I feel are going back to the analog time, you know, to feel the preciousness of those moments. I feel I have so many of these pictures. And what I love is that they're very instant. अब आपको wait नहीं करना पड़ रहा है, आपके सामने वो picture instantly आ जाती है. I also sometimes have used it to, you know, just.
So can you talk a little bit about or give a perspective on the current state and future potential of the instant photography market in India and globally?
So this category is the highest growing category for Fujifilm India, and we believe that India predominantly is Gen Z millennial market, and we have seen a big shift, the trend towards buying such kind of product, instant product, because they relate to this kind of product. Because it's, as she said rightly, that this is an instant gratification or instant delight, and that when you tend to take pictures from your mobile, you keep it there in mobile, and then you see once in a blue moon. But then this kind of cameras, you can do wonders. You can make scrapbooks, you can decorate your house, you can gift it to somebody, you can make a Christmas tree and put it on it. So there are a variety of ways by which this product can be used, and we see a big potential in coming years. That's why this kind of an event is happening, and that's why she is there with us.
Again, for Kriti ma'am, I want to ask you, can you share any personal experiences with the products in the past? Like, have you owned any of the products in the past, as well as like, how do you think it fits into the lifestyle of today's youth?
Of course, I think it's very, very exciting when you collaborate and associate with a brand that you have been using, you know, and you own already, you've paid for it, it's not comfy. So it's just really, really a very good feeling. I recently told them that I had bought their, I don't know what the version, Mini Evo, yeah. The Mini Evo version, which is actually a hybrid of digital and analog. You can choose the pictures that you print. It's a really, really incredible camera. I love, you know, when I travel, I love taking it along. I love also sometimes taking it on shoot. You know, yeah, we all go back to our phone and take a lot of pictures, but the ones that I take from that camera, I keep them in like a nice box, you know, which I kind of treasure. It's like a memory treasure, and you can sort of tomorrow make like a scrapbook out of it. So that's what I do, and I've already owned it before I got associated with the brand. So yeah, I think all their products are amazing, and this one especially, I love the colors. I think all the colors are so vibrant and so fresh and so youth-friendly. I feel like you would love to just own it, like take a picture with the camera because the camera looks so good.
Alright, moving to the next question. Hi Kriti, Gaga from Entrepreneur. My question to you is, well, we have seen you become quite a business person beyond your films as well, from your cosmetic line being so successful to now being a brand ambassador. I wanted to understand, as an actor, how important do you consider these endorsements, and what is the work that goes behind before you associate your name with a brand?
Thank you so much for the question. Well, I feel with any brand that you associate with, I think the first and most important thing that I look for is the brand value, what it stands for, what is the purpose, the quality, you know, of the products, and that's very, very important. Of course, when you associate with a brand like Fujifilm, which, you know, I've grown up with this brand around me, and it's just a privilege to be associated with a brand that stands for so much quality and just like amazing variety of work that we've been doing actually. with the innovation that they come up with, you know, staying connected to the youth as well. So that for me is very, very important. I think for an actor, when I associate with a brand, I do understand that people sort of get influenced by what I say. So for me, it's important to associate with a brand that I really believe in, truly, you know, and this is definitely one of those.
Thank you so much. A question for the managing director as well. So, as you said, right now the product is launched in US, India and China, and I wanted to understand what else are you offering the Indian market now? Obviously, and having a brand ambassador on board is great, but what is the future plans?
Yes, product-wise, it's almost similar worldwide market, but India is one of the most important market from our headquarters. So that's why, as a marketing activity, like with Miss Kitty, we will have a very aggressive marketing activity. So to let all Indian customers be happy.
Thank you. Can we have the next question, please?
Hi, my name is Lakshya Kumar. I'm from India Today. I have two questions actually for the management. One for Arun sir. First of all, congratulations on the fantastic launch. Thank you. Really excited to try out the new products. But primarily, I just wanted to know how is the Mini SE different from the Mini 12 or the ones that came before that?
So, Mini SE becomes our entry segment model, and predominantly this model will be available in offline retail stores and national retail stores or regional chain stores. Mini 12 is an upper version than the Mini SE. So previously we had Mini 9, the entry segment. Now Mini 9 is discontinued. Now this becomes a latest entry model with different variety of features. So this will become one of the highest contributing model for us in the offline channel.
And one for you as well. You mentioned that this product is launched in just 3 countries across the world. Then why not make it a global launch? Since this is an important entry-level product, why not introduce it to more countries, to more people, help the product grow?
So to answer to this, maybe let me rephrase it. This product will be available in only these 3 countries. It won't be available in other countries. That's the message out here. This is a special model which is made for US, China and India only. And rest, other countries, it depends on the management's call. But at present, it is only for these 3 countries.
Thank you.
Thank you. Do we have any more questions?
Yeah, hi. Myself, Poonam. We are a media and PR in upcoming production of called Bollywood Themes. So basically, we just recently started making our music album, and we were like struggling for camera. Camera is very expensive, you know, very, very expensive. We understood the importance of camera because camera has a lot of type of variants with the many lenses. You know, it has many lenses. So I want to know, like, what is the storage capacity of this camera? Like, it is just for use or one time or regular 100 times you can use, how it is?
So you can use it as many times you want. Only thing is that there is a cartridge film which comes inside the camera. Like you have to, you get it in a package. So that consists of 10 films. Once that 10 film is consumed, you will get an indicator that films are over. You have to put another 10 back. So that's this all about. But when it comes to your kind of work you're doing, we have a different category where we deal with cameras. So you can meet me separately. I can suggest you some cameras.
Price of this camera?
This particular camera?
Yeah. I mean, if I want to buy, I can buy any stores.
I have shared the price. Like two models are coming. One is with the 10-pack film and one is with the 40-pack film.
Okay.
Right? And then 74999 and 9999 is the price of the camera, which is the maximum retail price. Of course, there will be some special discounts when you go to shop friends and all. Once it is launched from 10th of July, it will be available in all the shops. So definitely.
Thank you. Thanks so much.
Thank you. Do we have any more questions?
इस कैमरे के साथ अगर आपको एक दिन पेपराजी बनने का मौका मिले तो कौन से सेलिब्रिटी को ट्रैक करके आप उनकी फोटो क्लिक करना पसंद करेंगे?
मैं आपको फॉलो करूंगी. आप जहाँ जा रहे हो, आप जिस सैलून से निकल रहे हो, आप कहीं जिम जा रहे हो अगर जाते हो, आप जहाँ से नहीं जाते हो, घर के बाहर तो जाते हो. इवेंट पे जाते हो, तो वो इवेंट पे आते हुए मैं आपकी स्पॉटिंग करूँ.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Do we have any more questions?
Shall we wrap it?
Absolutely. All right. Thank you